In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a workspace in Visual Studio Code. If you've ever opened Visual Studio Code and found old workspaces cluttering your recent list, or maybe you created a workspace you don't need anymore, cleaning them up can help keep things organized and less confusing. In this walkthrough, I'll go step by step, keeping everything simple and easy to follow, even if you're fairly new to VS Code. First, go ahead and open the Visual Studio Code application on your computer. You can do this the same way you normally launch it, whether that's from your desktop, your taskbar, your dock, or your applications menu. Give it a moment to fully open so you can see your editor window and the sidebar. Once Visual Studio Code is open, you'll want to select the workspace you plan to delete. A workspace in VS Code is usually represented by a file that ends in part code workspace, or it might appear in your list of recent workspaces. If you already have that workspace open, you're good to go. If not, you can open it from the File menu by choosing Open Workspace or Open Recent, then picking the workspace you want to remove. Now that the correct workspace is selected, the next step is to locate the actual workspace file on your system. In most setups, that file appears in your Explorer sidebar, or you may know exactly where you saved it when you first created it. This file is what you'll be deleting, and doing so will remove the workspace configuration, but it won't delete your actual project folders or source code files. Those remain safe, which is an important distinction to keep in mind. When you've found the workspace file, right-click on it. A context menu will appear with several options related to that file. From that menu, look for the option that says Delete. Go ahead and click on Delete. You may be asked to confirm that you really want to delete the file. Confirm the action if prompted. After this, the workspace file will be removed from your system, and Visual Studio Code will no longer list it as an available workspace. That's all you need to do. You've successfully deleted a workspace in Visual Studio Code, helping keep your development environment clean and focused only on the projects you actually use.